Hello everybody, I'm Sifu Steve. Welcome to TradingLive. So today I want to talk about smart money concept. Right, this is the most popular term in the trading world now, SMC. You will hear it in every social media platform. But actually, what is it? To be honest, SMC is very subjective depending on individuals out there, how they interpret and define smart money concepts. Right? If I go to first slide, smart money concept, as I can search this material in the internet, proficient investor who are able to predict market trends, manage fund yield maximum potential. So predicting, is that true? We'll see. Controlled by professional and entities such as central banks, market mavens or market makers, and big funds, which is true. Big money move the market, right? Makes sense. Some say it is a term, originally a gambling term, that refer to wager made by gamblers with a track record of success. This definition sounds like SMC is some sort of manipulation, where people at the back is rigging or manipulating the marketplace. Well, if that's the case, I would some sort agree as well. Nothing wrong with that. And some define it as somebody who can identify or foresee trends before it happens and ahead of the others. Now that's a very big advantage, right? That's really smart. It says here as well in Market Business News, investors who do not spot or predict investment trends, i.e. those who try to ride the trend after the smart money has already made most profit, they are considered they are considered stupid or dumb money. I think that term is a bit harsh, but again, depends on who you ask. It may be defined differently. So what I think about SMC is a way of thinking, mindset, up in your mind. How do you perceive the marketplace? How smart money move, enter and exit the marketplace, capitalizing on institutional footprints and movement. I would like to give an example for point number 2, which is an elephant jumping into a kid's swimming pool, a very famous and popular example. So when an elephant jumps into the kid's swimming pool, water will displace tremendously. A lot of water will displace. With your naked eye, you can actually tell that something big has jumped in and engaged the swimming pool, compared to a human teenager or human adult. When they jump into the kid's swimming pool, yes, there will be a bit of displacement, not a lot. The elephant will make a difference. So we are trying to find the elephant that jumped into the swimming pool in the marketplace via displacement. And SMC oftentimes go against retail logic. We try to go opposite, take the opposite direction of the majority traders out there. So how do I illustrate that? Number 1, if you look at the chart, over here, this low, price made new lows by taking out this recent low over here. That moved down, took out the low. Rally a little bit, right? Give the bulls a bit of hope, and then it declines again, make the new low. So we have 2 lower lows here. Now 2 lower lows with the structure in mind. That's bearish. That's supposed to be a selling opportunity or continuation, or suggesting a continuation. To who? To breakout traders. That's number 1. Number 2, when price reject this way, let's say the price action currently stays here and we don't see what's ahead, alright? When price reject 3 times, 1, 2, 3, this entire area, the zone, is considered a strong support. Something like a triple bottom, double bottom. When price reject, goes below and reject, that shows it's exhausting in bearishness, and now bulls are so-called taking over. The buyers are taking over. And this signifies a buying opportunity for who? Reversal traders, whereby they are looking for rejection areas to buy or sell. This is a classic rejection area, rejection zone, indicates that it's a buying opportunity, and as they buy, they are trailing or placing their stop loss below recent lows. So, breakout traders, reversal traders. In this example, there are 2 types of traders, which means there is a pool of 2 types of orders. in this area. Number one, there's a sell limit for the breakout traders, and number two, there's a sell stops for the reversal buyers. So there's a lot of liquidity down here. Now, when the market tanked from this high to this low, it's triggering two things. Number one, the stop losses that protect all the buyers' position, and number two, the sell limit that was triggered when breakout seller placed the pending order over there to initiate a sell order and expect a continuation lower, because there's two lower lows now, correct? Who are buying to those sell orders? A sell limit and sell stop, they are initially, they are in essence are sell orders, market sell orders. So who are buying the sell orders? Smart money. Smart money is buying all these sell orders over here, soaking up all the liquidity. And if smart money is buying here, where will smart money exit to realize a profit? Because they have to sell. When you buy, you want to realize a profit, you have to sell to realize it. Over here, an all high. Again, same example from below the previous slide. There's also a pool of liquidity building up here. Breakout traders on the long side, they'll place their buy limit over here in anticipation of a continuation if it breaks out, because this is somewhat a key high. And number two is anyone who sells from this top, they place a buy stop to protect their short position, because when you sell to exit, you need to buy to cover. So there are a lot of buy orders here. So smart money buys from the bottom. When it goes to the top to realize a profit, they need to sell. Who are they selling to? All the willing and unwilling sellers over here in the form of buy limit and buy stops. And that's how smart money makes a profit. So in essence, smart money concept, it is a way of thinking, it is a way of looking at the marketplace, which is opposing to majority retail logic and retail traders out there. It is a way of thinking to define how smart money and how the movers and shakers of the marketplace inject and remove liquidity from the marketplace. So that is all for today. Thank you so much. I'm Sifu Steve. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.